So, pag-uusapan na natin yung factoring quadratic trinomials na mayroong numerical coefficient na kahit anong number basta maliban sa 1. Okay? So, let us have the first given. Let's say we have nating block. Yan. So, 2x squared plus 4x minus 30. No, ang unang gagawin daw is to find AC. Pag sinabing AC, you multiply, di ba, A times C yun. So, ang A natin ay 2, ang 30 natin ang C, no? So, we will multiply the 2. Bahin ko yung kulay. Gawin kong blue. Ito, para cute. Okay, so 2 times negative 30 is negative 60. Okay? So, dito ko na lang, pamburahin natin mamaya yan eh. So, dito na lang sa isang gilid. So, negative 60. Sunod, ang gagawin natin, find the factors of AC that will have B as its sum. No, so again, parang kanina na pag-usapan natin, kapag po negative yung naging sagot, no, bakit naging negative? Kasi negative yung sign ng 30, no. So, dahil negative to, ibig sabihin yung sign ng ating terms will have different signs. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung numbers na kapag times 60 ang sagot, pero kapag ini-add 4 ang magiging sagot, no? So, if you answered 10 at saka 6, then you're correct. No? So, bakit? 10 times 6 is 60. 10 plus 6, 16. But if you subtract, no, the result is 4. So, 10 minus 6 is 4. Ngayon, alamin na lang natin, alin dito ang positive at alin dito ang negative para maging negative 60 siya. So, since positive yung middle term natin, okay, para lumabas yung positive 4, no, as our answer, kailangan yung mas malaki ang positive, yung mas maliit ang negative. Okay po? No, hindi pwedeng negative ang 10 at positive ang 6 kasi dapat ang gitna ay negative pag ganun. Okay? So, burahin natin yan. Proceed na tayo sa factor by grouping. So, dapat, sana tinandaan nyo So, 2 times negative 30 is negative 60. Factors ng negative 60 na kapag ini-add, positive 4 ang lalabas will be, susulat ko na yung ating in different color ulit. Siguro black na nga. Ayan. So, ang factors natin ay positive ang 10, negative ang 6. No, dito natin siya isusulat. Bakit? Kasi kailangan po siya para sa grouping. Okay. So, for factoring by grouping, ganito ang mangyayari, no? Bring down mo lang si 2x squared. Okay? Bring down lang din si negative 30. Then, yung factors na pinili mo, you have to write it as the sum of, that will result to 4x. No? So, kung 4x ito, hindi pwedeng positive 10 at negative 6 lang yan. Kailangan may variable ka rin na x. Okay? Para tama nga naman, 10x minus 6x, 4x ang lalabas. Okay? So, for factoring by grouping, we are to divide this into two groups, no? Ito yung first group natin at ito yung second group natin. Okay? Kumbaga, pag factoring by grouping kasi, we will use factoring by GCF twice. No? So, kung meron kang 2x squared at saka 10x, ang GCF niya ay 2x. Then, kung meron kang negative 6x at negative 30, no, if-factor out din natin yung negative sign. Kailangan po kasing ganun, no? Yun yung isa niyang tatandaan, factor out negative sign. So, kung imbes na 6 lang, we factor out negative 6. So, negative 6 ang i-factor out natin. So, we are to write kung ano yung mga terms na nasa loob ng parentheses. So, for the first one, we have 2x squared divided by 2x. 2 divided by 2, 1. X squared divided by x ay x. Then, 10x divided by 2x, that one is, so, syempre, cancel na yung x. 10 divided by 2 ay 5. So, x plus 5. Then, negative 6x divided by negative 6 ay x. Then, negative 30 divided by negative 6 ay negative divided by negative yan. So, positive 5. Kung mapapansin nyo, nagkaroon na tayo ng same factor na x plus 5. No, so, kailangan kunin natin siya. Ito na yung last step ng ating factoring by grouping. So, kukunin natin yung, sige, block na nga lang muna. Kukunin natin si x plus 5 at x plus 5. Then, kukunin din natin yung matitira, si 2x at si negative 6. So, the factors will be x plus 5. Then, kunin natin si 2x at negative 6. So, this will be the factors of our given trinomial. Okay? So, syempre, kung i-check mo siya, magfo-FOIL method ka. Check natin. X plus 5 at saka 2x minus 2x minus 6. Okay? So, x times 2x is 2x squared, FOIL method. Outer will be negative 6x. Inner will be positive 10x. And last terms will be negative 30. Adding the middle terms, we will have 2x squared plus 4x minus 30. At babalik ka dun sa ating given na 2x squared plus 4x minus 30. So, kung nakuha mo yung given, edi, ibig sabihin, tama yung process na yung ginawa. Okay. So, let's proceed with the final example. We have here, balik ko sa pagiging block ng sulat. So, we have here 4x squared minus 12x plus 5. So, 4 times 5, you already know that that one is 4 times 5, that one is 20. Positive naman kasi parehas namang positive sila. So, we have 20. Then, ano daw ang factors ng 20? Kapag ini-add, negative 12 ang lalabas. No? So, positive ang 20 kaya kailangan same ang sign. Ang tatanungin na lang, same na ano? Same bang positive o same bang negative? So, factors of 20 is 10 times 2, 4 times 5, pero ang pinakamalapit ay 10 times 2. No, malapit. Pag ini-add mo, 12. Pag sinubtract mo ay 8. So, malapit sa 12. So, negative 12x ang nasa gitna. Ibig sabihin, para makuha mo yung positive 20, pag nag-multiply ka, dapat parehas silang negative. Okay? Kung ito ay positive, dapat parehas silang positive. Kung ito ay negative to, isa positive ay isa negative. Ha? Sana natatandaan nyo po yung rules na yon. Okay, so we will now rewrite our given. So we have 4x squared, bring down lang yon. 12x will be written as negative 10x and negative 2x. Bring down ang 5. Okay? So, we will factor out, again, dalawang beses ang factor by grouping. Factor by GCF, no? Yun kaya siya naging factor by grouping. Okay? So, common factor of 4x squared and negative 10x will be 2x ulit. No, 2x. Then, common factor of negative 2x and positive 5, wala naman. So, it's 1. No, kaya lang, sabi nga natin, kung itong may variable mo ay may negative dito, you have to factor out the negative sign. So, imbes na 1 lang ang iyong GCF, you will factor out negative 1. Okay? So, factor out na natin. Ano ilalagay sa loob ng parenthesis? So, we have here 4x squared divided by 2x is 2x. Negative 10x divided by 2x, 10 divided by 2 is 5, no? Negative 5. Okay? Then, negative 2x divided by negative 1. Negative divided by negative is positive. 2x. Then, 5 divided by negative 1 is negative 5. Okay? So, factor out yung same nila na factor, which is 2x minus 5. And then, kunin yung nasa labas. No? So, it's 2x minus 1. Okay, so our factors will be 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 1.